Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2010 Honda CBR1000RR. This bike's got a little over 7,500 miles on it. We're going to take a walk around it and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This bike is in excellent condition. There is one little spot on it. I'll show it to you as we walk around. But as you can see, the front end here is in excellent shape. No rock chips, no big dings, anything like that. It's got a new front tire on it. Comes with a tinted windscreen. Tank is in excellent shape. No dents, no rock chips. It's also got a tank pad on it. Seats, no rips, no tears. It does come with an M4 slip-on and stand spools. This bike also has an integrated tail and a fender eliminator and a new back tire. And here's the spot I was telling you about. It looks like the passenger seat has rubbed there and just a little spot there. Other than that, I don't find any other imperfections on this bike. There again, stand spool. Looks like we got a boot rub there. I didn't notice before. Alright, let's get you a shot of those miles now. 7516 is what's on this bike. I believe this also has a power commander in it and HID headlights. This bike has gone through our pre-sale inspection. Also comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.